कभी कभी ज़िंदगी में एक जगह मिलती है and that feels like peace. This is Kyrdemkhla. Kyrdemkhla is actually one of the best picnic spots near Shillong. Not crowded, not commercial, just pure nature. The world can get heavy sometimes. Dream feel distant, life feel fast, and we forget to pause. But places like Kyrdemkhla remind us that peace isn't lost, it's waiting. If you ever feel like you need a moment, come here, sit with the hills, let the silence speak. I am Batari, and this was Kyrdemkhla. Till the next journey, take care of your heart. Thank you for watching.